Chance, of course. Why? Because at the end of the day, they're going to be the citizen of the city. And I am obliged to, do service for them. That is a job.
Yorme, dati nyo rin pong naging vice mayor
Yes.
si Dr. Hani Lacuna. So, she conceded already. You are asking, you actually said, she conceded already. She did. And then, you are also calling for healing. So, apart from this reaching out, will there be any other efforts to reach out exactly to her para talagang mas maging unified ang buong Maynila?
Thank you, Maurice, for asking such question. Yes, we are. Of course, I did it before. Many times. Even with the former President Joseph Pero Estrada, even to the point, Mayor Lee. In fact, not only that we reach out, may tinanong pa nga ako kay Mayor Lee yun eh. Paano mariresolve yung peace and order? Humingi pa ako ng tip. But in this case, of course, we will do so if we were allowed to be there. Anytime ako, alam mo, marami na akong baldog sa buhay. Marami na akong pakupang sa paa dahil sa pagkakadapa sa paa. Maraming tapanan, maraming stumbling blocks. At the end of the day, we should continue to value pagpapalaga sa nakaraan. At pagpapalaga, higit pagpapalaga sa democracy. Yes,
Ano ang pakiramdam na magbabalik kayo sa Maynila bilang mayor?
excited, but I know it's gonna be challenging because it's like doing it again. Parang bakit sila? But the people who are watching, sa ating mga kababayan, malatid kayo, I'll do my best.
So, Yorme,
Bring back the certainty, order, and cleanliness in our city.
Yorme, you're expecting smooth transition.
I am. Well, that's what I did in the past. I mean, and even my predecessor, that's what they did. I think that's the norms. That's the normal way so that we can move forward. Kasi, this is not about us anymore. It's about the people. So, if we really love our people, we ought to serve. I think that's the only way to start and begin the journey of the city of Manila and the people who live in the city. Oo, thank you mga taga-Tondo ha. Request ko lang manalo eh. Ginawa niyo pang really grateful. I'm happy for him. And I told him, naku anak, yari ka. Say talagang now you were given a chance, you have to prove yourself.
Following your footsteps.
Well, I hope. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, anak, isa matuturuan kita kung paano magmahal. Pero hindi ko kayang ituro sa iyo kung paano magmalasakit sa iyo. Because it is you as a person. In you. Innate. Ano naman, power yun eh. Ano siya, ang puso rin niya eh. Madali siyang matouch sa sitwasyon ng tao. And I'm happy because that's a good start. Kasi if you are sympathetic, or what you call empathic, sa katayo ng tao, that's a good start of governance. Kasi lagi yan nahabulin ka at the back of your mind. What is your purpose being in power? So I'm excited and happy. Congratulations, Joaquin. Ngayon ang relationship sa Manila. At yun, recto, anak, kanto nila, lahat ng kanto rito sa Maynila, tampak talaga, I mean, total kapasama na ang kampanya. I'm just being realistic. I'll do my best. I hope the two contractors or garbage collection will have a different approach under our administration. At hindi ako manghihimik kung ano man yung mangyayari sa kanila pag hindi sila nag-do. Because kapakanan ng taong bayan itong pinag-uusapan natin. Hindi negosyo nila. Sanidad ng tao. At ang sanidad ay issue ng mahirap, indigenous at mayaman. Dahil ang sanidad ay nagdudulot ng sakit at ang sakit na dulot ito, walang pinipiling katayuan sa kanila. So, they have to catch up under my watch. But for the meantime, I will let Mayor Hani Lacuna do her job for the remainder of, I think, 6 weeks. Kasi siya naman kaya mga bata, huwag niyo muna akong message sa cancellation ng classes. Hindi pa po ako member. Mayor-elect pa lang. Kasi marami ako na-receive na yung taon dito. Yorme, may pasok pa bukas. Hello mga estudyante, mag-ingat kayo. I love you. I'll see you soon.
Vice Mayor Chief, ina-expect mo ba na ganun kalaki yung makukuha mo?
Ano lang yun, to be honest, the only thing that I had in my mind is to bring back hope in people's lives. I didn't even think of ending. Hindi ko inisip kung mananalo, talo, but importante ko kasi sa akin na pag nandun at hawak ko ang libro ko na sa entablado, pinapaalala ko gano'n silang halaga. So in terms of yung tanong mo, to answer that, to be honest, I did not expect anything. And I was just happy. It's a journey ko sa kampanya. And I'm happy because nakita ko naman kahit paano nabuhayan yung mga tao dun sa mga nasabi ko. And huwag sila mag-alala. Dahil yung mga pinako namin ni Yorme, gagawin namin.
As Mayor, majority po ng mga konsehal na decision back into other parties. How open are you as presiding officer to take all of these suggestions in so you can craft good ordinances para sa mga taga-bayan?
So you're asking me,
How open are you to brainstorming and getting various ideas regardless of party lines para makabuo kayo ng ordinances?
naniniwala ko siya po sa
Councilor for the district,
naniniwala ko sa
Dong AC,
kontrahal ko ano man.
Pamela Pugoso, Mike Jensa, Paul Sangkal,
Pasensya na kayo ha, tinabi kayo. I see you. Thank you ha. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sinukulit ko na lang. Hindi ko yung
Oo nga. Halika, tayo man yan. Sorry, ginabi na kayo. Start healing, di ba? Pag niliwas ang
Thank you sa panonood and God bless.
Republic of the Philippines Division of Elections, CEF number 24. Certificate of Canvas of Votes and Proclamation of Winning Candidates for Members of Bayan Panglunsod. May 12, 2025, National, Local, and Board Parliamentary Elections, May 12, 2025. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath but we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 216 classroom precincts for the candidates their need for member of Sangguniang Panlungsod in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached here to his informing part of his statement of votes by precinct CEF number 20-A garnered by each candidate. Name of winning candidates: Isip Jong, 74,536 votes. Pugoso Pamela Pa, 73,379 votes. Atienza Mikey, 70,075 votes. Tol Sartan, 67,747 votes. Kalimantan Karen Chua, 58,280 votes. Kap Jem Lao, 42,295. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidates as a newly elected members of Sangguniang Panlungsod of NCR City of Manila, 3rd District, the Province of National Capital Region, Manila. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our thumb marks in the City of Manila, Province of NCR, Manila, is May 13, 2025 at 9:25 p.m. City Board of Canvassers, Jericho Jimenez, Chairperson, Giovanni Dillian, Vice Chairperson, Nerissa Argomeda, Member Secretary.